What's up? This your boy No Chill Chat checking in early in the morning. I hope you can hear me. Long night, Northside movement, had to leave 7-Eleven. Pretty dope, man. There was an accident that happened last night. I hope everybody was okay. But we're gonna keep it moving. And it's bright and early. And I got another update. Alright, stay tuned. And I'm headed to drop off my car. I've been trying to get some work done on the car for the last couple weeks, but you know, I work out of town a lot, so when I'm home, I try to get a lot of stuff accomplished when I'm home. And it's hard because as soon as I get home, you know, I'm anxious to get in the car, drive it. It's the weekend, and then next week I'm like running around doing errands and stuff like that. And then after errands, then I'm kind of getting acclimated, you know, getting some sleep, getting some rest, and then before you know it, I'm planning to go back out of town. So I've been kind of planning this for the last couple weeks. Can you guess what the next mod is, man? Can you guess what it is? I don't know. Is it getting the supercharger put on? Is it getting my new wheels? My interior? My coilovers? My brakes? I don't know, man. You just gotta wait and see. I should be there in the next, 30 minutes or so. Probably get to talk a little bit. And go from there. Alright guys, so since we're cruising, for the people that are watching, I guess I will let out a little surprise, a little early update, strictly for my viewers. But I was able to speak with Olive Performance, speak with Bear Brakes, and we was able to get a partial sponsorship going for the Bear Brake system for the F-body. It'll be a 6-piston front caliper and rotor system. It'll be a 4-piston rear caliper and rotor system, compatible with 17 inches and up. The factory wheels with the stock spindles, and also if you decide to it works with the 17-inch wheel stock spindles, so that means it should clear your 18 inches and up. Now I'm just deciding on pretty much what color I should get. I was thinking about going with the blue, like a light blue that I had on my 6th gen, which was actually a custom color. And then also thinking about going back with the purple that was on my 5th gen. That was really nice. So I know that the blue, of course, goes with red, and the purple goes with red. And then, I'm just thinking about the typical red. Doesn't hurt, but just, if you're gonna do something custom, you definitely want something custom all the way. And then the other color was like this acid green. I really like the acid green color a lot. So I've been bouncing back and forth. What you can do is you can comment down below, tell me what colors you think I should go with. But go with like the CTSV brakes. I didn't want to go with the Brembos or anything like that, only because, I mean, they look great. Don't get me wrong, they look great. But I've seen a lot of the wheels that people put on, and you still have to add like a 3 to 5 millimeter spacer just to clear everything. And my goal was really to have everything custom or everything available where it's just bolt on, so you don't have to add any spacers. That's kind of the thing that you do when you go custom. It's like you shouldn't have to add on things or modify things. Everything should just get it made so that it fits your vehicle. All right, guys, I'm here at the shop, and I don't know if they want to tell you yet, but this company right here, called Dabala Automotive down here near Rosenberg. Very clean shop, knowledgeable. We're gonna walk in and talk to these guys, man. J-Rod recommended me, and of course, J-Rod only did with the best, so I'm in their showroom, man. Look, that's all you can see. You don't know what's going on yet, but I'm here, all right? Y'all check them out. Come speak to my guy, Chris, here. They pretty much do everything. They do lift kits. They do like custom trucks, man. It's like a Kodiak or a 650. Got a C8 over there, tow truck, woodwork, whatever you need. But I guess I'm not gonna keep you out the loop too long. So dropping it off, we're going to get the gears installed in my car. We're gonna go with the 373s because the car's an auto and I drive it a lot. I'm on the highway. This should definitely wake up the car from the stock 323. It's 323. Definitely should wake the car up and have a little fun. Maybe spin those tires a little bit more. Have some real fun. It should definitely wake up the car. And then, like I said, man, you know, speaking with Bear, I can't wait to get those calipers and rotors behind those wheels. That's going to be nasty. Say it with me. Nasty. Oh man, I can't wait. Big 6 piston in the front. Really just need some stopping power, man, because I'm telling you, these F-bodies, these brakes are like ice skates. I've seen some people upgrade to the C506 calipers and pads. Heard those are really good, but they still look like, you know, these calipers, and I'm just like, big boys.
24 hours later.
So guys, you will not believe this. Got a phone call early this morning from the Ballers, and he was like, hey, your car's ready. I'm like, I did not expect it this soon. So now I'm about to head on over there early morning. So literally 24 hours, I want to say. I just dropped it off yesterday, and I mean, I was expecting maybe like late today or, you know, first thing tomorrow morning, because he told me about, you know, 2 days, whatever. But I mean, I guess you can just set those expectations, and then you get the reaction that I'm giving right now, like, wow, I didn't expect that. So let's go pick up the car, and then I'll let you know what the next step is. All right, guys, need to go pick it up. Easy peasy. He said all the bearings look good in the car. There were no issues. He actually, you know, complimented the car and everything like that. So that's good, man. I love to have a good sounding car. I love to make sure everything's in tip-top shape. You know, when you pick it up and say, hey, did you find any issues? Do you recommend anything? He was like, no, everything was good. So now I'm about to pick it up and about to take it to MS Tuning, Matt Sorian, so we can go ahead and get these gears dialed in. Check these guys out, man. The Ballers Automotive. I highly recommend them, man. All right, first impression, driving the car. It definitely gives the car that extra pep. So, like I said, what I did was install the 373 rear gears, and without even tuning or any adjustments, I already feel the car just having that extra pep in its step. Like, I don't feel like I gotta give it so much gas to even get the car rolling. Like, it's cool. Like, I feel like I ain't even trying, and the car just automatically starts to go. So that's definitely what's up, man. Definitely in about 500 miles, you know, the break-in period for most performance stuff, 500 miles. We're gonna go back and get the fluid serviced, make sure there's no metal shavings, make sure everything is in tip-top shape. But I can already feel it, like, definitely working. So make sure if you go to Ballers Automotive, ask for Chris, tell him No Chill Chat sent you. I asked him, you know, what they specialize in, or is there anything that you guys particularly do on a regular? And he was just like, yo, we do everything. Camshaft, suspension work, old schools, diesel, whatever you need. He said pretty much the only thing they don't do is body work and tuning. They also let MS Tuning, Matt Sorian, tune their cars as well. But he was like, pretty much anything else you need, they can do. And it looks like their turnaround is great. I was recommended by J-Rod. I know everybody's like, why are you going to J-Rod? But when it comes to gears, transmissions, you know, even engines, you know, some of that stuff you really want to leave for the people that specialize in it, that dedicated their time, and they do it every single day. Because those are ones that really know their shit when it comes to those little things that happen when you're driving. They're like, oh, well, what caused this? Or, you know, they're able to just do the work so that it doesn't happen. No issues occur or arise. You know what I mean? So J-Rod definitely recommended them and said, hey, these guys are great. They do them all the time. They have no issues. And even when I went down there and asked, like, I was recommended, he was like, yeah, no problem. So make sure you check those guys out. I mean, I'm already impressed by the turnaround, the ease to just talk to them, tell me what I needed, how much it cost, and then just his, you know, he was very polite, very nice, wasn't arrogant, stuck up, man, and you know, he definitely conveyed or communicated with me all that information from the beginning. From the beginning, he told me the price. From the beginning, he told me the turnaround. From the beginning, you know, he just felt like, yeah, I could do it. He felt very confident. So now we're on to the next piece. All right, stay tuned. So I have arrived to the wonderful world of finesse tuning. Boy, they got a lot of cars on it, man. All right, so with the world famous. All right. So what we did was just change the gear ratio. We changed the gear ratio right now just to change the speedometer for the moment. You can see he's busy as hell, but we're gonna bring it back so we actually, you know, change the gearing and everything so it's perfect. You know, I got to go to work out of town, so I appreciate it, Matt. All right. I'll see you soon. This is where you bring it if you want your shit done right.
Use the middle 2 lanes to turn left onto
so yeah, man, got my speedo on point with my wheel and tire combo.
turn left.
Right now, about to head to this house, and I got to go out of town this weekend, so make sure I had this video up for you guys. But did the gears, and when I tell you the car just feels so much better. Like I'm not flooring it to just get it rolling. Now it's real snappy. I needed that. I definitely needed that. So I'm gonna do my break-in miles. We'll get the fluid change. So I'm gonna just be cruising around for a little bit, but definitely work the buck. I love it. Make sure you guys check out the Ballers. Information is gonna be right here. Make sure you check out J-Rod. Make sure you check out MS Tuning. Hit me up, like, comment, subscribe, refer a couple friends, tag a friend. You know, go to my website, get some merch, man. Let me know if you have any good merch ideas. Also, I appreciate everybody hitting me up saying, hey man, you motivated me to get this car, that car. I got a lot of people hit me up like, yo, you got a clean F-body. You motivated me to get an F-body. So I appreciate that, man. I'm gonna keep going hard. I got a lot of stuff in the works. Like I said, shout out to Bear. We got those brakes coming. And, you know, I'm definitely gonna get these heads done. We're gonna put the intake manifold on. We got a lot of things coming, and just stay tuned, man. That blower is coming sooner than later. So just stay tuned, because when that goes on, it's a wrap, man. All right, check me out. All I can say is, man, I'm on this damn road, this highway, and bro, these gears are amazing. Amazing. The car drives night and day different. It's a lot smoother. I'm not all into the gas. I could just hit it a little bit and it's going. You know what I mean? Before it was like I really had to give it some gas to get it moving. But now I can really like just cruise at a reasonable speed, reasonable RPM. The car drives so much better, man. All right, no chill chat. Check it out, man. Y'all take it easy.